If you want to unlink your Xbox account from Epic Games, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. This is a helpful tutorial if you're switching accounts, cleaning up old connections, or just want to manage your Epic account more securely. Before we begin, make sure you are signed in to the correct Epic Games account, because once you start changing account connections, it's important to verify you're working on the right profile. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where your account options are located. From the menu, choose Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage personal details, security, and connected services. On the account page, find and click Connections. This section is where Epic keeps all of your linked platforms and external accounts. After that, select Linked Accounts. Here, you'll be able to see whether your Xbox account is currently linked or not. If Xbox appears in the list, that means the connection is active. If it doesn't show up, then your account may already be unlinked, or you may be logged into a different Epic account. Take a moment to confirm the correct account before making any changes. If your Xbox account is linked, look for the option to unlink or disconnect it. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and confirm the removal if Epic asks you to verify the action. Keep in mind that unlinking your Xbox account may affect access to games, progress, or purchases tied to that connection, so it's always a good idea to double-check before confirming. Once the unlinking process is complete, refresh the page and go back to Linked Accounts to make sure the Xbox connection is no longer listed. That confirms the account was successfully removed. And that's it. You've now learned how to unlink your Xbox account from Epic Games. It only takes a few moments once you know where to look, and now you can manage your connected accounts with a lot more confidence. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple how-to guide.